to think it over. If I could give you just a little space. You smile and say you're back before I know it, but something else was written on your...
Welcome again to my channel, and this video is about all this mini tripod that you will be looking at in the market and maybe you will be needing in the future. So we'll start with this smallest of them. This is a Shadow, made by Shadow. It depends on how you pronounce it. So this is made of a brass. It's not plastic. It's very nice, nicely built, well crafted. You can see it's very smooth, and the tip is rubberized. It's pretty nicely built, and it's very light. Actually, it looks like it's solid, but actually it's hollow inside. You can see it is made of brush-like material. The good thing about this is this comes with a standard 1/4 inch thread. So this is basically four in 1/4 inch. So you can easily put this on your pocket. And now if we are going to extend the legs, measuring it from the ground to the base, it's about 2 inch. So it's only 2 inch to the base. So it's pretty much low. So if you need that kind of application, then this is the one that you need. This is capable of handling about 5 pounds of gadgets or camera. Now this one is the regular cell phone stick that we find it anywhere. If you go to the park, people are always using this kind of tripod. Also, of course, this is telescopic, so you can extend it like this, and it comes with this cell phone adapter, because basically this stick is for selfie, doing selfie as most people do. And this is about 3 feet. If you extend it like this until here to the tip over here, is about 3 feet in length. Okay, so this third mini tripod is made by Manfrotto. It's very high quality material. Look at this, solid. It's plastic, but it's a very high quality plastic. The good thing about this is it comes with this ball head, which you can adjust with by pressing this red button, and now you can adjust like that. It comes with this 1/4 inch thread, and of course, if you measure it from the top of the base to the bottom, is about 7 inches. Now if you're going to spread the legs out like this, it's about 5 1/2 inch from the ground to the base. Okay, and let's go here. This is, I think this is one of the best, if not the best mini tripod out there. It's made by Ulanzi. The good thing about this is it's very flexible. This one is very flexible. You can ship it to anyone any way you want it. You can wrap this around any object so that it will hold your gadget, and you can just bend it like that and draw your selfie. One thing that makes this stand from the rest is in addition to its flexible legs, of course it comes with this standard ball head. It's very adjustable by just adjusting this tightener here. Then this is a cell phone holder, and now it comes with this extra cold shoe adapter, which you can use to attach LED light or mic. Okay, so now this is the most expensive of them. This is made by Koolehaoda. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, and this is the D28. You can see this is of all of this is the strongest of them all, but of course this is the most expensive. You can see this is solidly built aluminum, and it comes with this big ball head. This is capable of holding up to 11 pounds of gadgets or camera. And then you can so you see this way, you can see this is solid, it's robust. No wonder it can hold up to 11 pounds or 6 kilos of or I should say more than 5 kilos of load. And the good thing about this is if you're using this in winter, this is very handy, because what happens is you will be holding this rubberized thing over here instead of holding to a metal, because during winter this metal is going to get cold, but with this kind of rubber it will protect you from the frostbite or cold from the metal. So this one, it comes with this has one segment which you can untighten it and with like that. So at its full extension, this is about 17 inches. Now if we are going to spread the legs fully extended like this, so from the bottom to the base of this is about 15.5 inches. That's the farthest it can go with this kind of extension. Okay. Now we can adjust this further and spread the legs fully. So this is very useful when you are doing micro photography. Now it's very low to the ground. So in here the measurement is about 4 inches in tripod, or roughly less than 5 inches from the ground to this base. Okay, so one example of how we can use this small tripod is for the spanner. This is actually when I bought this remote panner, it comes with this small tripod. So but you can still buy this separately from Amazon. So basically this panel is automatic panel. You can control it with remotely, and this what happen is it's going to go around. And I use this for creating time lapse, 360 degrees time lapse using in this GoPro. So this is basically one of the uses of this small tripod. And for this Manfrotto mini tripod, since it has its ball head, you can use this for your standard camera. In here, so now I can control this. I just press this one and I can control how my camera is going to position. There you go. Yeah, this is very useful. This kind of, especially when you are taking micro photography and you need to go to the ground as low as possible. This is one of the best that you can use. So long as you will not exceed the loading capacity of this can load until up to 8 pounds, 5 to 8 pounds, this mini tripod. And this camera is just less than 4 pounds, so pretty much this is substantial. Okay, so how about this? So we can use this for a cell phone. So it fits easily. You can see this is there is a spring-loaded holder mechanism over here. So it can accommodate as wide as 3.5 wide cell phone. And this one we can use this extra hold adapter with LED or mic. You can do it like this. There you go. Or whatever we like the legs to be bended. It's very nice. It's very comfortable, very flexible. Now for this big one, there you go. It comes with this. I can now use this one to attach my standard camera with this all of these accessories. So this is quite about 7 pounds more or less. There you go. Now if I'm going to do some micro photography, I can use this fully extended leg over this here The good thing is it has a ball head, so I can adjust it like this. There you go. Now if I want to use the other mode, I just need to adjust something here. This one. And then I can use this regular mode. There you go. Or I can use this for my vlogging. Just hold it here. Just open this up. Extended my. So you can see how it's versatile, this small tripod. Yes. This is the reason why I bought this. Although I have a lot of small tripod, the reason why I bought this is because it's very stronger. This is the strongest of them all. Okay, so this is how all of this mini tripod is being used. With this, the strongest of them all is of course holding these heaviest gadgets. And now this smallest tripod is holding this smallest load, of course, with this 360 degrees remote panel, and then this GoPro. Now this Manfrotto mini tripod is holding this standard camera. And this flexible tripod is holding this my cell phone, and it's on lighting. Of course, we know, everybody knows how this stick is being used, pretty much for cell phone. So this are all the kind of tripod. These are just the representation of the mini tripod that you can find in the market. Of course, there are more types of the mini tripod out there, but this is most probably one of the best representation of all the tripod in the market. So no one is paying me to do this product presentation, but I just bought all of this from my own pocket, so no one is patronizing me for this product review of this mini tripod. So if you guys enjoy and learn something from this video presentation, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more video uploads. It's going to help my channel a lot. And thank you for your time, and stay tuned to my next incoming videos.
This city has a special morning voice, speaks to me through an open window, masquerading